if even half of the places that I go on this little trip are like this, I will be extremely happy. I've been family for a while now. It's going to be a strange one. I tried like 2 of the kind of nicer places to eat in the airport, and like they weren't doing like, didn't do like decent food, if you get me. So Burger King is, flight's not boarding for another like 45 minutes, so I'm just gonna chill out here and eat my burger and chips. So I flew into Charles de Gaulle there, and it's absolutely massive. It's so easy to get around. You just hop straight on a little train that brings you basically to your terminal. Like, I forgot to do like the locator form for Panama, so I was like trying to do it in Dublin airport when I was sitting down, and then I had to go get the flight, and I was trying to do it, and then we were up in the air, and obviously disconnected from like 3G, so didn't go through. Then I landed in France here, and I was sitting down waiting for like everyone to clear out, and I was like flat out like trying to get it to work, and I tried like 4 times and it just would not work. I could fill it out, and then it'd get to the end and it'd go, you are not connected to the internet, even though I had my roaming on. Then connected to the airport Wi-Fi, still said the same message. Yeah, and then it just worked. So a bit of panic there for about 20 minutes, but we got there in the end. But we're displayed here now, but I am so shook. The hangover's after absolutely hitting me like a ton of bricks there. It's going to be a fun 11 hours. Right, it's just gone 8 o'clock there. I had no problem getting through customs or anything like that. They didn't even look for onward travel. Yeah, I booked one night in a hotel just because I had a feeling I was going to get in late anyway. And then next 2 nights are in a hostel. So I'll show you the hotel. It's the Princess Hotel, Panama. Fair nice. Like, nothing wrong with that at all. Bath, shower, happy days. And at the size of this, like, yeah, this was €60, and then the taxi from the airport to here was 30. Yeah, so it's late enough. I'm absolutely roasting. It's like 27 degrees. So I'm gonna go see if this pool is still open. I think it's upstairs. From the pictures, it looked like it was like on top. So yeah, let's get changed and go see if I can go for a dip. I'm just chilling in like the little jacuzzi here now. It's yeah, it's nice. I thought it was gonna be a little bit nicer from the photos, but they're probably old photos. But yeah, it's grand. I'm only here for the one night anyway, so like, hard complaining about that now. It was quite a long day traveling as well, so I think I'm just gonna go hit the hay and get up early in the morning for a bit of breakfast, and then check into the first hostel of the trip. Yeah, oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Right, good morning from absolutely roasting Panama. It is so hot. Right, so the plan for today is I have to check out here at 12, so that gives me another like 3 hours. Definitely getting in that pool. As well as that, there's like a sauna and steam room. They weren't turned on when I went down, but that was like at like 8, so hopefully they're turned on now. I'll definitely give them a go. But yeah, this is Panama. I have a hostel booked for the next 2 nights. I have to go check into that, but I can't check in until 1. I have to check out here at 12, so that gives me an hour to do whatever I want. I'll probably go get food. But right now I'm gonna go check out this sauna and steam room and definitely jump into that pool. Okay, just about to check out the hotel. Bags all packed. Plan is to go get a bit of food and then hopefully try check into this hostel a little bit early if I can. Depending on, it's only like a 10-minute walk, so it depends on how long it takes me to get a bit of food. But I did see like a nice little place along, I think it's along that building there. I just had an absolutely massive feed there for like $7.50. A bit more than I like to spend on meals, but that'll probably do me for the rest of the day, I'd say. It's such a weird mix of like big, massive like banks and like commercial stuff and then like people's houses. Right, I'm staying in the Zabula hostel in the Obarrio region of Panama City. I'm gonna go to this like big massive shopping centre just for a look around. It has all like, it's not where I'll be shopping, it has like Louis Vuitton and all that crack in it, but look, we'll give it a look. I know it's a Monday and all that, but the place is absolutely dead. There's so many places are closed as well. No, half the stuff's not even open. They had one shop there, Lust. That was the only one that I'd have any real interest in. It was like streetwear as well. But other than that, no, there's not. There's a lot of people down for the vaccination actually. I have a little like vaccination centre there. But yeah, this is actually extremely disappointing. I thought this was going to be hopping, but nope, it is dead. I wonder if that's just because it's a Monday and COVID, or I wonder, is it ever really that busy? We have a cinema. Probably be the only one there if I went in. This is mad. I thought this place would be buzzing now. I don't know, maybe it's brand new now and just stuff just hasn't moved in because Coco Chanel. I don't think there was a Chanel shop. I crossed over one of these bridges a while ago there. This is Cinta Costera. That's how you pronounce it. And it's basically the walkway the whole way along the beachfront. It's very nice. You cross over from, they have bridges that go across the motorway. The motorway is there. And yeah, you just cross them and you get to walk. Along by the sea. And the characters here are brilliant. It's like an old man with his little ice cream stand there. A woman selling like crisps and things. This lad's definitely going to try to sell me some water here. And then yeah, boys on bikes just flying around blaring tunes. It's class. It's another world altogether. It's absolutely beautiful. The plan is to walk around to the old city on the far side there. That's the next little bit sticking out there. You can see big tall old, and it looks like the top of like a bell tower. Let's see if we can find some really nice buildings. If even half of the places that I go on this little trip are like this, I will be extremely happy. Just the contrast between the two places I've just been is, it's absolutely ridiculous. It feels like, the last place feels like Miami, and this is like really feels like you're in the middle of the Caribbean. Well, what I imagine being in the middle of the Caribbean is like real chill, relaxed. It's gorgeous. It's mad how quickly you go from that lovely old town or city into just big massive high rises. But to be fair to them, this is beautiful here. This is absolutely gorgeous. And they keep it very clean as well. I noticed there in the old town, the little shop that I went into, everything was like real cheap. So it was like €1 for Cokes and like €1 for a big bottle of water and things like that. Then turned the corner and it was like omelets €8. So unless there is like a huge amount of like tourism that goes in there, and they're obviously just able to capitalise on that. He rubs it on its nose, what? No way would I be at that. It's actually mad. I can't get over how like diverse it is. You have a big massive city, small little quiet old town, and then out the back of it all you just have crazy jungle. Also very confused over the mask situation. I'm seeing more and more people not wearing them. I think I'll just throw it on when there's like large groups of people, because I just feel like that's the right thing to do, like just being courteous, if you get me. I don't know if you can hear a word I'm saying because of this stupid motorway, but look at that. It's absolutely mental. Nobody signals, they just beep and then turn. Right, just after coming out of the Panama Canal, I will roll on all that footage now. Oh my god, there's always somebody doing work. It's cool, like it's cool engineering, and it's interesting to see because there's a bit of history behind it. I wouldn't be in a rush back though. Like if I ever came back to Panama, I think I would skip this. Definitely go see the old town. That was unreal. Casco Viejo, I think it's called. Yeah, that was unreal. I would highly recommend that. Right, I'm just walking down the roads here in Old Barrio. Well, first of all, I'm really hungry. I haven't had breakfast. And two, I'm trying to think what to do next. I don't know whether to stay in Panama another few nights or whether to head towards David. So yeah, that is my dilemma at the minute, but I am really hungry, so let's go get some food. Well, you know, if you're going to be able to hear anything. Got some empanadas. Give me a basket. This one's with cheese, it's really good. Yeah, this one's ham and cheese. $1 each as well. That's good. I would take this over the canal any day, but again, like I said, the canal is just something you want to see just to say saw it. Towards this you could do any day. Now all we need is to see some sloths. It's not a sloth, but it's something. There's a sloth. He's like right there. Right in between the V. Okay, that pretty much concludes Panama City. I am now on my way to David. There was buses going every hour and a half hour, that's what they said on the website. So I left the hostel at 11 and I was like, oh, if I make the 11:30 one, happy days. If not, then 12:30, that's okay as well. Next one doesn't go till 1, so I have an hour and a half to kill here. I'm just gonna munch into these and yeah, just chill out. And I'll see you in David.